Okay, friends. So welcome back to the session. In the previous video, we have seen all about sorting, filtering, multiple level of sort, multiple level of filters, sorting on coloring. Now it's a time to learn some magic in Microsoft Excel, and that is your flash fill. So are you all ready to learn some small AI tool in Microsoft Excel? Please reply ready or yes in the chat box. Yes, yes, recordings will be shared, Iram, yeah, on the portal level LMS we will update, yeah. Okay, everybody, so I am opening a file number 3, flash fill AI. So those who are practicing with me, why don't you also open the file and let's practice together. So I click on the option enable editing and you get this. So let's start with the first one, everybody. So now I have a first name and I have a last name, and I wanted to combine first name and last name, right? So which formula we use in Excel? Can anybody put it in the chat box? Can this, Indrajit, this all files I have pasted in a WhatsApp chat, my friend, in our group. Quickly, I'm pasting it over here also. Oh, now my file is open. Okay. All these files, we paste it in a WhatsApp community, friends. Please download. Okay, so still I have pasted here, Indrajit, for you. Okay, now friends, I wanted to combine first name and last name. Okay, so normally which formula use? No, no proper real me. Proper we use to make first character capital. For combining, we use concatenate, remember? Or we use text join and we use and. So here we are using a and formula. But now more than and, you have a direct method of using a flash fill. You just tell Excel that I need like this, and Excel will do it for you. Like, I will come on this F2 cell. Here I want. So I tell Excel, I want Ramzan, R capital. Then I need a space. Then I need a word Rajani. Observe everybody. See here, my name, Ramzan Rajani, is in capital letter, but I want first character capital and I want Ramzan Rajani together. So I have written Ramzan Rajani together the way I need. That's all. And then what you will do? You will tell Excel to do on their own. So here you are going to press Control E. Control E is a shortcut for flash fill. So I say Control E, done, and you see the magic. So you just give him one idea, you give him the pattern that I need like this. So you will type manually Ramzan space Rajani, enter, and then press Control E, and all the names will be combined. Give it a try now and let me know if it's working for you or no. Working, Mageshri? Super working. Amazing. Aisha not working. So Aisha, you just have to type this name, my friend. Ramzan space Rajani. Press enter and then press Control E. See, other people are able to do. Then you should be also able to do. You want me to repeat? Okay, chalo. I will repeat because the small one. So nothing you have to do. See everybody. I come in my F2 cell. I just type Ramzan space Rajani. The way I need, I will type it. That's all. And say Control E. That's all. But remember, if you are using the old version of Excel, my friends, like Excel 2007, and I think 10 also it was not there. If you are using the old version, then naturally it's not going to work. Yeah. Yeah. Bye, Mr. Ganesh. See you in the next session. Yeah. So if it will not work, you need to have a latest version. Now you got Aisha. Very good. Chalo. Good. Now go to the next sheet, everybody. Magical text to column. Now you have first name and last name together. And hey, I wanted to separate first name and last name. Huh? I wanted to separate first name and last name. So what I will do, we use in a Excel option text to column. Now you don't have to worry, right? You will just type over here Nancy. So here in the first name, I type Nancy. Yes, in 2007, not working. Yes, Arup, that is the old version. Correct. It will not work in old version, Arup. Naveen Kumar equal right. Yes, right, left we use Naveen Kumar. Now no need of right and left, Naveen. Just we type Nancy, control E. That's all. And you get it. See, Shri, once again I'm explaining, sir. I will put the cursor on last name. And what I wanted to extract, I want to extract free heifer. You type free heifer and say control E. And you get that. Sir, what is your YouTube? Okay. Okay. So I go to the YouTube and I say right click and I say, okay. Okay, everybody. So I'm going over here quickly and I will quickly show you. So, friends, you can just put it on the directly message in the uh, chat to all, not on the private. So, those who have asked, I have pasted my YouTube channel link. Over here, you can see my other videos also. So, you can visit this YouTube channel. Okay. You can click it now on this channel so that the it goes. Otherwise, when somebody types the message in the chat box, that link will go up. Okay, then you will not find. So the link which I have just put it on a chat box. Click on that link, everybody, and you will go to my channel. Okay, okay, everybody. So I hope you have clicked on the link so that I can move ahead. Now I will go to the sheet number 3. Another example of flash fill, everybody. If there is no space in between the words, and if it is combination of then how do you split? Then Devika, we have to use a power query. Excel will not support. Excel will support when between two names, either there should be a space, there should be a hyphen, some identification should be there. So you can do that. But with flash fill, I think it's possible. We can try with this, Devika. See, we will do live something. This is the benefit of you all are joining the live session, right? So now what I will do, I will type your name only. Let's say Devika. So I say Devika 101. Okay. I type my name, Ramzan 102. Let's take another name, Shri 103. So now you wanted to separate Devika 101 and Devika, right? Separate. You wanted to separate these both, right? So over here, yes, you will type just 101 Devika and say Control E. Halas, it came. And then you will type Devika and you say Control E. It got separated. So you don't have any separator between Devika and 101. Still we did it. How? With the help of flash fill. Is not that amazing? Huh? Great. So I replied to your question. Alternate to Control E for the older version. No alternative, my friend. You have to upgrade your version. So now I'm in an extract number sheet, everybody, and I want to extract all the numbers from this, the codes from this. So I will type 8475. Means here there is a number, na? 8475. So I type 8475 and press Control E. And you will observe this number, this all the numbers has come outside. All the numbers has come outside, right? So this way you can extract only the numeric digits from it. Okay. We'll go to the next topic, email ID, because we are very much close to the session. Again, you have another example. You have first name, last name, Ramzan Rajani. You have another name, Santosh Kulkarni. You have another name. So now what you wanted to do is you wanted to create the email address. Let's say my company. My company name is Upgrade Skill, right? Upgradeskill.in. So I want to create my company email address for all these people. So you see how I do. Ramazan, I will type my name dot, then I need a dot. So I type dot Rajani at the rate upgradeskill.in. This is our website. So now I type one. Friends, I type one. and I want Excel to create similar for me. That's all. Nothing you have to do. You gave him one sample, a pattern, an idea. Control E, zup, and your work is done. Got it, everybody? So this way you can even create the email addresses. And the last example is your mobile number. And then we are going to discuss the question and answers. Okay. Now I will come on mobile number, and I have this mobile number which you normally put in a registration form when I send you the form. But actually I wanted to upload in my database in one of my CRM server. The format is this. It accepts this format, for example. So how do I convert all this number into this format? No worries. You have a flash drive. So I copy this format. I paste it here. Remember, this should be same 56784 792. I type the way I need and I say Control E, and your work is done. See, all the numbers has changed its format to the correct one the way I need it. Amazing, everybody. So this was a small AI tool in Excel with the name Flashfill, wherein you type the way you need and automatically Excel will fill it for you. This was all about the flash fill of Microsoft Excel, and the shortcut of which is Control E. Simple, Mahesh. I will copy this format, Mahesh, and I will paste it over here, sir. And then I say Control E. What email for what? Email for people. Email is basically this. I have just typed the way I need, and just pressed Control E, and it created on its own, dear. Okay, friends. So I'm just stopping the video now, and then we will take up your queries and we will discuss other things. Thank you so much, and see you in the next live session.